Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the magic thread. It's usually a fine, translucent filament near the spine. You need sharp tweezers and steady hands. Once done, chill the fish to 0.4 degrees C so tissue is firm, which makes removal cleaner and reduces tearing. Make sure to work under bright light. This reveals the thread's glint. Grip the filament close to the tissue, pull slowly at a shallow angle, and avoid jerks. This minimizes damage to the flesh and preserves. You need to expose the filament by lifting the skin or peeling back the fillet edge. Do this gently so you don't tear muscle fibers. Once exposed, pinch the thread near its base with tweezers or needle nose pliers and pull in a single, steady motion. Slow and consistent avoids shredding. If the filament breaks, use a magnifier or lamp to locate the remaining end, then repeat. By preserving the surrounding flesh, you keep the final dish moist and attractive. You finish by inspecting the removal area for stray fibers and trimming any tiny damaged bits with a sharp knife. This keeps appearance and mouthfeel clean. If the thread breaks, re-expose both ends and use micro tweezers or a needle to tease out the remainder. Patience pays off. Make sure to sanitize tools between attempts and refrigerate the fish at 0.4 degrees C right away to preserve quality. Troubleshooting tip: if fibers remain hidden, change lighting angle and gently press the flesh to reveal them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.